Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Nashville hot sauce. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a half a cup of either vegetable oil or real butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of honey. If you want to add that, you don't have to. So all we're going to do basically is put all of that into a saucepan, cook it over low heat until it's nice and combined. Alright everyone, everything is combined in my saucepan right now, and I have it on low heat, and we are just going to keep stirring that until it's nice and combined. Alright, my sauce is looking good. As soon as your butter is all the way melted and everything is incorporated, you can go ahead and remove that from the heat. Alright, my sauce is all finished up, and I'm going to tell you, it has a kick to it. But you can add more cayenne pepper, more cayenne pepper if you want. You can add a whole nother tablespoon. Mine's great with 2. So I just heated up some popcorn chicken that I got from Kroger, and I'm going to make a whole KFC bowl. I've got my macaroni and cheese here. I added corn, you know, it's good to have a vegetable. And then we're going to add it either just regular popcorn chicken, or I'm going to throw some in this Nashville hot sauce and have some Nashville hot sauce chicken. Alright, here is what my bowl turned out to be. I've got the macaroni and cheese in there, the corn, and then the chicken coated in the Nashville hot sauce. And it is good, but Taste Tester's not going to be tasting that hot sauce. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!